Safety vest video instructions. Safety vest is much safer than hydrofloric acid. It's perfect for use in either an ultrasonic cleaner or just heating in a beaker or stainless steel pot. The odors are mild and fumeless when used in the ultrasonic. It's fast, requiring only 15 to 20 minutes to work. And it's a fraction of the cost of hydrofloric. Mix 4 ounces of safety vest with 8 fluid ounces, or 1/4 liter, of water. Alternatively, add safety vest to water and stir until no more safety vest dissolves. Place the cup in the bottom of an ultrasonic. Add the safety vest solution mixture to the cup or beaker. Then add tap water to the ultrasonic. Hang your casting on an insulated solid electrical wire, and lower it into your cup or beaker. When using the ultrasonic procedure, the solution can be reused until spent, usually 10 times. As an alternative procedure, put the safety vest in a stainless steel or Pyrex pot. Then heat the solution to a simmer. If using the safety vest in this manner, you should discard it each time, working with a fresh solution for each additional item that you want to divest. You can neutralize the spent solution with baking soda. When the solution no longer bubbles, it's neutral. When using safety vest, use rubber gloves and eye protection. For additional safety information, please refer to MSDS sheets. This concludes the video instructions for safety vest. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact Shaw Technical Support via either email or phone. There is no such thing as a stupid question, except the one you don't ask.